Welcome to Lyine Automatic Hydroponic Fodder Production Line. Today, we will introduce how the system works. Part 1. Seed soaking and waking. Clean barley seeds are placed in a soaking tank, which supply controlled temperature and oxygen. Wake up the seeds' rapid sprouting. Part 2. Surface dewatering. The soaked seeds pass through a dewatering system to remove the surface water, measure even distribution during sowing. Part 3. Automatic seeding. Seeds are fed into a sowing hopper, and a precision seeder evenly distributes them onto growing trays. Part 4. Stacking and germination. An intelligent robotic gripper stacks trays onto transport pallets, which are moved into a climate-controlled germination room. After around 48 hours, sprouts reach height 2 centimeters. Part 5. Automatic conveying. The sprouted trays are transported via an automated conveyor system to the loading end of W-loop growing rack. Measure seamless transition. Part 6. Smart cultivation. A multifunctional robotic arm place the trays onto growing racks. After 7 days, the seeds grow into fresh fodder 20 centimeters tall. Part 7. Efficient harvesting. The robotic arm transfer the fodder to the harvesting conveyor. Streaming collection.